Hello everyone, welcome to the Automotive Blockchain channel. We are over here at Automotive Logistics. If you like the content of this article, go ahead and give me a like, a subscribe. I really would appreciate it. Ask yourself this question. Are private blockchains or more decentralized blockchains the better way to go? In the mobility industry, in whatever industry you are in, think about that. Mitsubishi Europe implements Vinturas private blockchain technology solutions to enhance its vehicle supply chain. Now, the reason why they're doing that is they said, quite frankly, right here as I scroll down, the cloud-based technology will give the OEM greater logistical transparency and traceability across its supply chain, as well as enhance, that's adding the value, digital security and data management. So you have the supply chain implementing the blockchain itself, for logistical, for greater transparency, for logistical and traceability, and then the value added to that, the value chain of enhancing the digital security and data management. So you have them going hand in hand. Anytime you have a technology, and this is an educational video, folks, anytime you have that technology that is going to enhance interoperability and being able to streamline processes and efficiencies, that is great for the supply chain. Anytime you have it so that it enables greater security and provides a safer environment, that is leaning towards adding value to the entire chain. So value chain, supply chain. Now, due to the nature of these technologies, I have to ask you the question, as I did when I started this video. Is a private blockchain something that is centralized to Mitsubishi/Vinturas, or something that is decentralized? Is it better? There are a number of different technologies out there where companies are trying to pursue a way that they would be able to have it greater interoperability across platforms, because Mitsubishi right now is considering, just with respects to their specific logistics and those people who or companies who are part of that logistics side of their manufacturing process, and the traceability coming from the raw materials into their electric vehicles, etc. So I understand within that small, narrow microcosm of where they'd want to be going from. And I say small and narrow, but we're talking about thousands of suppliers. Okay, so you get the understanding of that there. However, once that vehicle leaves the lot, or leaves the manufacturing plant and goes onto the lot, you're now dealing with other forms of technology that the dealerships in this particular country, as well as other countries too, because trust me, Mitsubishi isn't just going to roll this out in Europe. It just so happens that Europe is a little further ahead than the United States and some other countries with respects to implementing distributed ledger technologies, in their processes. So, in my personal opinion, folks, do some research on this. I think it's magnificent that the Mitsubishi Europe is going ahead and putting these technologies in place. I am going to be looking at how the technology in the entire ecosystem is going to be able to link on and become link on to these particular walled gardens, as I like to call them, these private blockchains, and being able to utilize them at a wider scope. So, let me know what you think of this video, folks. I look forward to seeing you next time on the Automotive Blockchain channel.